Welcome to Fabric Mouse TV. This is Stuart. Just want to introduce our new machine, the FEIYUE FY710. It's time to take your sewing one stitch further with this machine. A machine built by the world's biggest sewing machine manufacturer, now finally under its own brand name. You may not know FEIYUE by name, but you've probably sewn on one of their machines in the past. For years, since 1981, FEIYUE has built for the world's biggest sewing brands, quietly powering homes around the globe, just like Foxconn builds Apple devices. Now, for the first time, they're launching their own name and their own brand machines, and the results are extraordinary. And we have the 710 exclusively to Fabric Mouse in the UK. Let's take a look. What makes the 710 such a great machine, or a game changer? Well, it's got an automatic needle threader, so it threads your needle without squinting, without any fuss. It's got a one-step buttonhole, just pick a style and go. It's consistent, clean results every time. It's got a 7mm max stitch width, so it's ideal for the decorative stitches, which it has 180 of them built in, including alphabets, stretch stitches, quilting styles and more. Great feature is it's got the auto thread trimming. The push of the button, it'll trim your thread. Not only that, it's got a multi-function foot control. So as you tap the heel of your foot down on your foot control, it will automatically do your thread cut for you without needing to take your hands off whatever you're making. It has got a 7-inch full colour LCD touchscreen. It's got twin needle mode, and amazingly this machine has even got the box feed system, which is synonymous with high quality machines. So what this does is it grips your fabric from the front of your stitch to the end of your stitch with the exact same pressure, allowing you to stitch much more layers more accurately without the need to go into a walking foot. This feature is only available on your Jukies and your Brother machines. The other great feature is they're using their power in the industry to put a servo motor in the machine, so the machine runs much quieter, much smoother than traditional style machines. Delicate silks to bulky denim and layered quilts, the 710 handles it all with ease. The box feed design means even fabric feeding and no slipping, no jamming. And here's the part that really sets the 710 apart, because this machine comes directly from the factory, not through middlemen. What difference does that make? Well, you get professional grade power and features for less than half the price of competing brands. So, what market does this fit in? Well, whether you're a beginner, a lifelong sewist, or starting out in your own business, the 710 is designed to grow with you. It's intuitive, reliable, and packed with features you'll actually use. You're not paying for the name, you're paying for the quality. Get the FEIYUE 710 today and discover what your sewing has been missing. Click the link below and order now. And sew smarter, not harder. And please remember to like and subscribe to fabricmouse.tv. With a launch price of only £600 in the UK, you definitely get the benefit of factory direct pricing. The machine is fully featured, fiercely affordable, and the 710 brought to you by Fabric Mouse and FEIYUE, the people who build the machines the world already trusts.